Hi everyone, welcome back to KTB Creates. Thank you so much again for joining me today. For those of you that are new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and tap on that notification bell because I will be bringing you lots of fun DIY projects, some home decor ideas, and all kinds of fun stuff. So I'd love to have you here on my channel. And today we are gonna do some like super simple projects that I've been wanting to do. So the first one that we're gonna go ahead and do is I created a little tier tray for my kitchen. So I bought these little, two of these little bottles. They're little amber colored jars. I love these bottles. They do come in glass, which I would have loved to have bought, but because they're going next to my kitchen sink, I'm not so sure glass would have been a good idea. I was kind of nervous to do that. So we're gonna do that. I found this cute little free printable online. I will put the link down below in the description box so that you can print them out yourself, but it comes with 2 sets of these, and I just thought it was super simple and really cute. So we're gonna do that, and it's gonna be super easy to do. I did get the bottles on Amazon, and again, I'll leave the link down below if you wanted to get those. And then the second project that we're gonna do today is with these little ball mason jars. I have a whole like crate of these, and I've been just trying to think of ideas of things that I could do to use them. And in my full bath that I share with the boys, we have a double sink. So I have 2 of these, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with them. And then the last one is just gonna be a really quick wreath with some succulents from the Dollar Tree. So just something really quick and easy. So stick around and we'll have some fun. So for this first project, I am using the hand lotion and hand soap labels, and I just cut them out right along the edge, and we are just going to use some Mod Podge to paste it on the bottles. Before I went ahead and did that, I did use some wipes to really clean off the bottles and get any debris off of them. And then I just did a nice coat of Mod Podge on the back of the labels and centered them right on the bottle. And then I tried to be very neat with the Mod Podge over the top of the labels because I didn't want it to look, too sloppy. And I think it came out really nice. So I just made sure that they were both centered right on the bottle evenly. And I love the simplicity of these labels. It's my style. I mean, you can go online and find a lot of different free printables, but this was something that spoke to me because I like the lettering, and it was very simple and easy. So like I said, just a thin coat of Mod Podge over the top of the label, just going over the edges a tad. So for this next DIY, I wanted to show you, this is a little kit that I found on Amazon, which I'm obsessed with, just like everyone else. But they're mason jar lids, rust-proof stainless steel. And I'll show you, they come packaged like that. Now I use foaming hand soap, so I wanted to find something for the foaming hand soap. So they come in these little kits. So these are the 2 little pieces that you screw on. And then these are the little dispensers. And it's actually really cute. They come with, they do come with little labels if you wanted to use these labels on a plain jar. And then they even come with these cute little directions, which is kind of neat. But I don't foresee it being difficult to put together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it together, and that's gonna be a quick and easy DIY. So these were really simple to put them together. It's really just sticking the little stick into the dispenser part and really just screwing it on the jars. So nothing really difficult about this, but I thought it would look so cute in the bathroom. And it actually holds a lot more soap than a regular dispenser would. So you don't even have to fill it as much as you normally would. I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to purchase these yourself. So then for my last DIY is this cute little succulent wreath. I had a space to fill on one of my walls, and I just love these succulents. So I am going in with some twine, and I'm just wrapping it around this little willow wreath. It's the small willow wreath from the Dollar Tree store. There's no rhyme or reason here. I'm just wrapping it until I really like the way it looks and it's spaced out the way I want. And then I am going to hot glue the twine to the wreath to make it stay. And you'll see I do go around and like kind of put a tab of glue along all of the pieces of twine just so that they all stay and they don't like slide off of the wreath. So then I'm just going to take, I think I ended up doing, 4 succulents, 4 or 5. So I am just ripping them out of the little jars that they come in, and you're going to want to cut the little stem off of each of them because you're not going to need that part. And really it's just arranging them the way that you like the way that they look. You'll see I did this a couple times before I got the look that I wanted. But again, these are so cute to decorate with, and they're only $1 a piece at the Dollar Tree. So I really pick up a bunch whenever I can because I love them. So here I am just moving them around and fixing them until I'm happy with the way it looks. And that's where I start gluing them in. And it's really easy. Just glue them wherever you can, attach them to the wreath. And then I end up flipping over the wreath and then gluing them a little bit more on the back side once it dries on the front. And here are the finished products. Please let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I think mine is that little succulent wreath. I just love the way it came, and I love my succulents. And go ahead and click that like button if you really enjoyed this video, because that does help my channel out a lot. Please stop back and check on my new videos. I'm usually posting every Friday, and I'd love to have you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.